I don't think people understand just how transformative AI is for finance. It's a game changer. Let's dive in. From calculators to cloud computing, finance has always embraced technological leaps. But now AI is taking the front seat, driving efficiency and innovation. Generative AI is more than just smart algorithms. It's your new co-pilot, automating tedious tasks and freeing you up for the exciting stuff. Imagine answering complex tax queries in minutes with over 95% accuracy. Students at top institutions are already using AI for financial analysis and decision-making. Cambridge Judge, HEC Paris, Bayes Business School, they're all in. The future of finance isn't just about crunching numbers, it's about mastering AI tools. And let's not forget soft skills like critical thinking and leadership, which remain crucial. AI is here to enhance, not replace. So gear up, finance pros. Embrace AI and stay ahead in this dynamic landscape. The future is now, and it's powered by AI.